Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode, guys, I'm gonna actually show you how to enter the BIOS for this HP Pavilion laptop. In the description section of the video, I will be definitely give you the exact model number. So I'm gonna actually show you how to enter the BIOS for this laptop. Just waiting for it to boot up so I can actually restart it, or because that's how you'll be able to enter the BIOS whenever it is being start up. So let me just shut it down. So I'm going to go to the process in terms of shutting it down. So I'm just gonna power it down for you. I said it is being shut down now. Right, so once it is being shut down, power up the laptop. So once you press the power button, just continue pressing down on the escape key, and it will take you to this page, which of course is the startup menu. So we have several options there. Press F10 on the keyboard. Right, so once you press F10, then it will take you to this screen, which of course is your BIOS screen. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.